Exercise 3.5, question number 8. Prove that tan of pi by 4 plus theta minus tan of pi by 4 minus theta equal to 2 tan 2 theta. Taking left hand side, tan of pi by 4 plus theta minus tan of pi by 4 minus theta. This is of the form tan of alpha plus beta and this is tan of alpha minus beta. Expanding, tan pi by 4 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4 tan theta minus tan pi by 4 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 tan theta. And we know tan pi by 4 is 1. So we get 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta minus 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. Taking LCM, 1 minus tan theta into 1 plus tan theta. The numerator is 1 plus tan theta the whole square minus 1 minus tan theta the whole square. Expanding, 1 plus 2 tan theta plus tan square theta minus 1 minus 2 tan theta plus tan square theta divided by multiplying the denominator 1 minus tan square theta. Now removing bracket, we get 1 plus 2 tan theta plus tan square theta minus 1 plus 2 tan theta minus tan square theta. 1 minus 1 cancel, tan square theta minus tan square theta cancel. 2 tan theta plus 2 tan theta is 4 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Now 4 tan theta can be written as 2 into 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta and this is nothing but tan 2 theta. So this is 2 into tan 2 theta. Hence proved. Question number 9. Show that cot 7.5 degree equal to root 2 plus root 3 plus root 4 plus root 6. Taking left hand side, cot 7.5 degree. You know cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. So this can be written as cos 7.5 degree divided by sin 7.5 degree. Multiply the numerator and denominator by 2 cos 7.5 degree. So this is cos 7.5 degree divided by sin 7.5 degree into 2 cos 7.5 degree by 2 cos 7.5 degree equal to, multiplying numerator 2 cos square 7.5 degree divided by 2 sin 7.5 degree cos 7.5 degree. And this numerator, we know the identity 2 cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta. இப்போ இங்கே theta வந்து 7.5. இதை 2 ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும்போது 15. So 2 theta is 15. So 1 plus cos 15. And similarly 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. Sin 2 into 7.5. Sin 15 degree. So this is 1 plus cos 15 degree divided by sin 15 degree. Already in the previous exercises we have learnt the method of finding sin 15 and cos 15. So நான் தனியாக போட்டு காமிச்சிருக்கேன். Sin 15 degree is sin of 45 degree minus 30 degree and this is of the form sin of alpha minus beta. Sin 45 degree cos 30 degree minus cos 45 degree sin 30 degree. Substituting the values, 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 minus 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2. So root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Similarly, cos 15 degree is cos of 45 minus 30. This is of the form cos of alpha minus beta. Cos 45 cos 30 plus sin 45 sin 30. And substituting the values, 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2 root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. இப்போ இந்த cos 15க்கும் sin 15க்கும் இந்த வேல்யூஸை சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். So we get 1 plus root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 divided by root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Taking LCM, 2 root 2 plus root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2 divided by root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. 2 root 2, 2 root 2 cancel ஆயிடும். So we get 2 root 2 plus root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. Again, to rationalize the denominator, multiply and divide by the conjugate. Root 3 minus 1 க்கு conjugate root 3 plus 1. Again multiplying the numerator. 2 root 2 into root 3 is root 6 plus 2 root 2 into 1. 2 root 2 plus there root 3 into root 3 is 3 plus root 3 plus root 3 plus 1 divided by a minus b into a plus b formula இருக்கிறதுனால root 3 square 3 minus 1. 2 root 6 plus 2 root 2 3 plus 1 is 4 root 3 plus root 3 is 2 root 3 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. Numerator 2 common வெளியில் எடுத்துலாம். 2 வெளியில் எடுத்துட்டா 2 into root 6 plus root 2 4ல 2 வெளியில் எடுத்துட்டோம்னா 2 plus root 3 divided by 2. இந்த 2 cancel பண்ணிடலாம். ஸோ ஆர்டரை அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணினா root 2 plus root 3 2. 2 வந்து நம்ம root 4 அப்படின்னு எழுதலாம். ஆன்சரில் நமக்கு root 4 இருக்குது. ஸோ அதனால் 2 can be written as root 4. ஸோ இந்த 2வை root 4 plus root 6. Hence proved. இதான் நமக்கு ப்ரூவ் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. Cot 7.5 degree equal to root 2 plus root 3 plus root 4 plus root 6. Hence proved.